Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you all will be fine. So today the topic of our lecture is classification of living things. In 18th century, scientists started putting living things into certain groups and giving them scientific names that could be used all over the world. This process is called classification. They divided living things into 5 kingdoms: protist, amoeba, prokaryotes like bacteria, fungi like mushrooms, plants, for example, all the green plants, and the last one is animals, which include all the multicellular animals. Animals are further divided into vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are those animals which have backbones, and invertebrates don't have backbones. Here are some examples of the animals which are vertebrates, for example, mammals, birds, amphibians, and invertebrates includes all the insects. Also worms. Vertebrates are further classified into 5 groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Here in this table, there are some of the characteristics of these classes, like some examples of fish, amphibians. When it comes invertebrates, invertebrates do not have backbone. Invertebrates are further divided according to the structural features of their bodies. There are some examples of invertebrates like spiders, slugs, centipedes, snail, etc. One of the invertebrates are worms. Worms have a long tube-like body and no arms or legs. Some worms are microscopically small, while others can grow much longer. Some can cause infections, some are parasites and live in the bodies of other animals. Here is an example of worm, earthworm. Look like its structure. Another type of invertebrates are insects. Insects get their name because their bodies are in sections. All adult insects have 3 parts to their bodies. They are head, thorax, and abdomen. They have 2 feelers or antennae. Here is the body structure of an insect, which includes antenna, head, thorax, abdomen, and pair of legs. You can also see some other type of insects in this picture. Last topic is friend or enemy. Some insects act like friends and some are enemy. They destroy leaves, fruits, and seeds. Other like flies, mosquito cause diseases. Some insects like honeybee and silkworm are useful to us. Some insects are called social insects as they live together in groups called colonies. In a colony there can be hundreds and even thousands of. For example, honeybee, which produces honey that is useful for us. Another example is of silkworm, which produces silk, which we used in our daily life. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and stay blessed.